So I've got this Kenmore Progressive on the bench today. Not sure if there's anything wrong with it other than I know for sure the bag needs to be changed out. In fact, before we get too far ahead of ourselves, we'll go ahead and pull this thing out. And give everything in here a good vacuum. There's supposed to be a filter in here, but it looks like that's completely missing in action. So we'll vacuum all this out. Probably cut another filter to size. I have some filter material. We're gonna have to clean up this bag door. See what the brush chamber looks like. Surprisingly, that's pretty good. And what I do like about these machines is you have quick access into the brush compartment. Pull that on away. So overall, it's not too bad in here. So I'm pretty sure that this is the correct belt. You can see how stretched out this old one is. Slide the new belt over. Couple rotations. I'm just going to clean off the underside of this and then we'll reinstall it. You can tell they've definitely cheapened these machines over the years. They used to be a little bit better. There's the old belt. So this is a U-bag for a Cirrus, but same machine. So I got to cut a piece of filter material to size. So I've got a Shark filter here, and I keep these filters specifically just for this purpose. And all I'm going to do is just kind of cut this to size. And it's all right if I use this whole thing. Pretty sure there's supposed to be a cartridge filter in these, but honestly, I'm not really all that worried about it. Let's just mark this so we can figure out where that crease is, and then cut along that. The big thing is I just want the entire end tank covered up. So it's okay if it's not perfect, but as long as it fits in there. Just like that. Happy with that. can't forget to check the back filter, which is also non-existent. So we'll clean this out. And then I have a trick that'll work for this just fine, back with making my own filters. So I have a type Y bag that I use for filter material. So we're just going to kind of size it up as best we can. We'll kind of use this as a template. Doesn't need to go all the way up, so we'll put it to right about there. And I do want it slightly over, and I'll show you guys why. The Sharpie's dead. Yeah, I can mostly see that. See how it sits in there. Perfect. So we'll check it, but we'll pull it out. You'll see the edges here are just slightly enough so that the edge of the cover actually holds everything down. Same with the sides here and at the bottom. That's exactly what you want. Now, this is not a sealed machine, meaning it's going to leak dirt no matter what you do. You could have, you know, brand new HEPA filters on this and even a HEPA bag. And just the way that these are designed, they're not sealed vacuums. That'll certainly help with some of the filtration, but if you're worried about filtration in any vacuum, you should get something like a SIBO or a Windsor machine. But let's go ahead and try it out now. All right, it's plugged in. I've got it all the way set at the bottom, or at least I haven't set it differently. So we'll see how it does at this setting. Might bring it up. Not bad. That'll make somebody a nice little vacuum. Got a lot of suction. We can see that performed as advertised. Bag is puffed up. Like I said, it'll make somebody a nice vacuum. Stay tuned for more.